today's session, I am going to start present continuous. In present tense, a work started and still going on, that we explain in present continuous. So, the sentence formation in this subject plus verb plus ing form plus object. This is the sentence formation for present continuous. Subject, verb plus ing form plus object. Here, one more point you should understand, there is a helping verb also will be there. How it is? I am eating apple. I is subject, am is a helping verb, eat is a verb, ing form, and apple is object. I is subject and this is helping verb, this is verb and this is ing form and this is object. So this is how the sentence will be for present continuous. She is singing song. He is drinking coffee. Kamala is dancing. Ravi is watching TV. Lata is cooking. I am cycling. They are working. These are all the examples for present continuous. The sentence formation subject plus helping verb plus ing form plus object. I am eating apple. She is singing song. He is drinking coffee. Kamala is dancing. Ravi is watching TV. Lata is cooking. I am cycling. They are working. In the same way, whichever the work has started and continuing in the present tense, we will tell it as present continuous formation. So, the present continuous key points are: to describe an action that is happening now or going on at the time of speaking, we explain in present continuous tense. Example, I am eating an apple or I am drinking a coffee. These are all an action that is happening now. And the next point, to describe an action that has been going on over a period of time but may not be going on at the time of speaking, those also we represent in present continuous tense. Example, all is learning to ride a horse. Everyone is learning horse riding. So that they are doing it, but it is not currently going on. Next, to show an action that is expected to take place in the near future. So we are planning something by today evening or today afternoon, that we will express in present continuous tense. We are going to the beach in the afternoon. We are going to the beach in the afternoon. So that is, we planned it. We have not started, but very soon we are going to start it. Then that we represent in present continuous tense. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.